Yeah, it was a well-planned operation under the battle group commander, battle group number 12, battle group 12, with the 37 Battalion, 43 Battalion, and 61 Battalion. This location of Buulomarer was actually the responsibility of 37 Battalion, and they moved in smartly, cautiously, and we took over the city at exactly 1:30 hours. So it means our operation has been so successful. It means we planned very well. The Al-Shabaab really resisted. They fought very hard for it. You can see the tires that they burnt in the city. You can see how they were firing on us from the rooftops. But I'm so sure they have all fled towards Barawe. Of course, you very well know Barawe is my next target. And as soon as I'm through with Buulomarer and Kutunware, I'm moving to Barawe.
But UPDF force, we appreciate Ugandan force Amison. They came by force and they beaten them, Al-Shabaab, Al-Qaeda, by stick as a child. Really, now we captured Buulomarer. We came from Buulomarer. We are going to Barawe and Kutunware.